to catch up on a couple things. Obviously, I like working with slab. You've seen some of that. But it's heavy, and especially in a trailer where we're concerned with weight, in order to get rid of that, the live edge we've cut off of this, and then we'll move it over and put it into foam. So we maintain the aesthetic of the live edge, which is routed to go over this, but I'm just gonna set it here. And then use the real wood veneer. And in this case, because the live edge is this shape, that actually dictates the whole countertop and the system that we're gonna make our drawers. Using the foam, you can have curved drawers, but also, like, we can build in our fridge, so we'll do a cold plate system, fiberglass that in. So we've laid down the foam on its side. Now what we're gonna do is sand it nice and flat. You can see I'm using some bar clamps, but I also put some pipes directly through it so that we could tighten it up. So what we've done now is lay it down, put down one layer of structural fiberglass already, and now to do a smoothing layer over the top, and that'll give the veneer a really nice smooth surface to grab onto. The key is to make sure that the epoxy goes totally clear. And that's how you know it's pretty well mixed. And it's still a little milky in there. And we're just gonna put this on the fascia for the countertop that we're making over here. So putting our epoxy over the veneer and pretty much just slop it on the way I do it anyhow. There's air trapped inside the grain of the wood, so don't panic if you see some bubbles. So anyways, last night we talked about not worrying about bubbles. And you can see this texture is a little rough, and I haven't really played that much with the veneer, but we knew it'd bubble up. So now to see whether like sanding will benefit, or you can just lay over the bubbles, which I've done in the past. Now we've sanded the darker portion and the bubbles, because this is actual bird's eye maple. Ideally, I think like the bubbles could enhance that. Anyhow, we'll lay down some more epoxy and see what it looks like. So the idea is that, I mean, it's layered, but these are drawers. There'll be more drawer to it, but should slide. This seemed fitting, you know, being as I kind of am the Grinch around here. Bah humbug. We get to do everything like custom curves. This is the shape for the refrigerator door that'll go in here. So what I'll do next is I'll take the router and I'll just go along the edge of my pattern here. Refrigerator door, going in.
Merry Christmas.
Happy holidays.
What do you think this is? Who built